My people kasala don burst. Kasala don burst. You see, when they were telling Yul Edochie not to post all these things that he had been doing with his wife, when they were telling him not to post it on social media, he refused. He was like, I want to show this woman that I'm no longer interested in her. People were advising her, stop posting this thing on social media. Your children are seeing them. Your children are seeing them. And he refused. Now you don't see him. You see Daniela, Yul Edochie's first daughter. In short, it's like Yul Edochie's only daughter. This beautiful girl that looks like her mother. The girl don't come out to say that since her father is treating her mother this way, that she wants to make her own decision. Yes, so my people, that she wants to make her own decision. That is not every time it will be as if it's only her father that know how to make decision. The other time her father came to social media and told her mother to stop adding Edochie in her name, that she should stop bearing the name Edochie, despite the fact that this woman have given birth for you. How many children? About 4 of them, about 5. And after her first son died, she cried and cried and cried. You did not even care. You left her and ran to a strange woman that left her own husband. In short, the two of you are a perfect match. Seriously. Juju Austin is a perfect match with you because Juju Austin left her husband that gave her life. Yes, the husband, that Juju Austin, is such, in short, I don't know how to qualify that woman. Mr. Obasi gave that girl the life she have today. If not for Mr. Obasi, I don't know whether you will meet her. I don't know whether she will come to you to be giving you bekus, but Mr. Obasi did everything he did, thinking that he was training a wife, not knowing that he was training I don't know which name now to use before people will say I don't talk. So, Daniel have been saying it, that all this kind of character that the father is showing her mother, that she's not comfortable with it. And because of this, she denied the fact that she's no longer Edochie. Because there is no how her father will tell the mother to stop bearing Edochie and she herself will be bearing Edochie. She said that she's no longer Daniel Edochie. She used to answer Daniel Yul Edochie. But this time around, when she was given an award and they asked her, what is your name? She said, Daniel. And they were like, Daniel, surname. She did not add her surname. She did not add her surname because she doesn't want to bear Edochie again. Because Edochie that she's bearing, Yul Edochie that she's bearing is not worth it. If a father can come to the social media and go to the wife and in short, after making mockery of himself, because he thought that he was mocking May Edochie, he did not know that he was actually beating himself black and blue. Because what is happening right now, the Odogwu that we used to know, wetin dey happen? It's no longer Odogwu. It's no longer Odogwu. It's now an Igbo man that followed Bekus to the grave. Yes. And you see, Igbo men are wise. Igbo men used to be wise. I don't know why Yul Edochie decided to live this kind of life. The Igbos are wise people. They know what they want in life. And this one, God blesses him with a good wife. But you see how he misused the opportunity. So now, this her daughter, she don't come to social media to tell us, say she no wan bear the name Yul Edochie again. That her name is Daniel. And you see, these girls, they can go extra mile. If this girl want now, she will go and start bearing the name of her mother's, that is, her mother's median name. She will go and start bearing the name. Because Yul Edochie have fucked up. He fucked up full time. Just imagine the beautiful family that God gave this man, and he was joking with it. he joked with it that it's just not he was because he have went so far. To come back now na serious wahala. And you see, he actually want to come back because seeing all the endorsement that this May Edochie is making for herself, he will be like, what is he doing with Juju? What is he doing with Juju Austin? They were just there, just showing us that they are doing well while they are not doing well. So guys, you see, it's not good to do bad thing. No, it's not good to do bad thing. And the worst of it all, even if they say they are doing it and they are not posting it to us on social media, these children might not actually notice exactly the level of their misunderstanding and all of that. But anything, you see Juju, you see Yo Edochie come to social media and tell people that if you are there, it's not working, leave. Eh, I'm not saying that if your marriage is not working, that somebody should buy there. You can ask grace of God to make it to work. Oh. But this one be say you people don't grow your children finish. Your children is in short. The last born is just I think 8 years or 9 years. You see, this woman have tried for you. And we are meant to understand that when you people were raising these children, giving birth, this woman have been fighting to make sure that she puts food on your table. On your own table, oh. You will use your money and come to be doing advert for people. Adverts. She's the one that flaunt you to the social media. In short, she's the one that made you. But look at how you pay back. My people, sometimes good thing no dey last o. In short, it's not as if good thing no dey last. Eh? To do good thing for people, I don't know how people used to pay back o. Because God uses May Edochie to make Yul Edochie to be known, to be popular. But right now, what did he pay back with? He decided to pay back with evil by leaving that lady, fighting her. To the extent, just the painful aspect of it is that May Edochie's son died, and this man did not show remorse. He did not show at least that the thing dey pain am small. The child you grew up with your wife, all you are busy doing is that you are busy pregnanting Juju, and she'll be giving you children. And this time I heard that even her family, his family, that is Yul Edochie's family, accepted those children to be their own children. Under what circumstances that Juju Austin is their wife? When did they marry the Juju Austin? Even if they marry, God. Anyway, guys, I just want to share with you that Daniel decided that he's no longer going to bear the name Yul Edochie. That Yul Edochie doesn't merit it. He doesn't want answering his name. Yes, that is what she said. That she know they answer the name again. Her name na Daniel, the one that her mother gave her. For Yul Edochie, her surname, gone and gone for real. So guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to always share my video, give my video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it on the comment section.